This video is about editing your recording. Now I pressed stop to stop recording, and the first thing I want to do is press Command S. That would be Control S on a Windows computer to save my work. And I've recorded about 48 minutes. I can look at the timeline near the top of the screen and see that I'm at the 48-minute mark. I need to record about 57 minutes, but this 48 minutes that I've recorded includes all of my breaks and mistakes. So I need to edit out those breaks and mistakes so I know exactly how much I've recorded and how much more I need to record. So I'm going to grab my Audacity window on the left side and click, hold, and drag to make it bigger so it fills most of the screen. And now I'm going to press Command F. It would be Control F on a Windows computer. And now my entire recording is squeezed into the available screen. So as you can see, all of the waveforms are really scrunched together. But you can see that there are some gaps. There are some gaps of dead air. That's where I just let the recording run after I made a mistake or needed a break. So it would just be dead air. There would be no waveform there. And now that I'm looking at my entire track, my entire recording, I can go click on a gap and hold down Command 1 and press 1 over and over again until I can zoom in and see the recording in greater detail. So here's my first break. I'm going to click right here and press play. Start with the front page headlines. Ducey, Adele must be held accountable. Oops. So I press stop. So that was my mistake. And I know, let me just listen to it one more time. Ducey, Adele must be held accountable. Oops. So there's a mark where I started playing, and that's where I want to start editing out that part of the recording. So at that mark, I'm going to click, hold, and drag, and the selected area will turn white. And now on my keyboard, I'll press delete. Now I'll listen to it again. So I'm going to go back a few seconds and press play. Volunteer broadcaster John Kane will start with the front page headlines. Ducey, Adele must be accountable. Roger's hard right world, and Biden will travel to. So now I've removed that mistake. Now I'm going to go back to Command F, Control F on a Windows keyboard, so I can see all of the gaps. And now I'm going to go to each one of those gaps and just repeat what I did to edit out all the breaks and mistakes before I resume recording.